Welcome back to your science class, students. Today we are going to read the question answers of the chapter Useful Animals. Last day we have practiced exercises and I think you have completed that in your book. Today we will read the question answer, then I will share the image in the WhatsApp app. From there you will collect and write in your class or copy and memorize it. Okay? Write without any wrong spellings. There shouldn't be any wrong spellings in your writing. Okay? Start reading the question answers. Answer the following questions. D. Answer the following questions. 1. Name 2 animals that carry loads for us. Answer: horse and donkey. HORSE and donkey, DONKEY. Horse and donkey. Number 2. Name any 2 things we get from honeybees. Answer: honey and beeswax. HONEY, honey, and bees, BEES, big, wax, WAX, wax. Number 3. How is wool used by us? Answer: wool is used for making winter garments. I am repeating. Answer: wool is used for making winter garments. Garments means clothes. Number 4. Who is a veterinary doctor? A doctor who treats the animals is a veterinary doctor. Okay? Number 5. Which animals are domestic animals? Pets. Answer: pets animals and farm animals are domestic animals. For example, what we write? E.g. full stop. Okay? For example, cow, sheep, dog, cat, etc. 6. How can we take care of animals? How can we take care of animals? Write 2 points. Answer: 1. By not teasing them. 2. By giving them good food, clean water and safe shelter. Okay? Shall I repeat it? Okay. Number 6. How can we take care of animals? Write 2 points. Answer: 1. By not teasing them. 2. By giving them good food, clean water and safe shelter. Okay? Safe shelter. Question number 7. Why is it wrong to kill animals for leather? Last 2 questions, 6 and 7. Question 6. How can we take care of animals? Write 2 points. And why is it wrong to kill animals for leather? These are long type question answer. Okay? Long type question answer 6 and 7. And one thing I am telling you, only 3 questions are given in your book and 4 to 7 questions I have added, extra questions. 4 to 7 questions are extra questions. Only 1 to 3 questions are given in the book, that is text question answer, and 4 to 7 question answer are extra question answer. Okay, so read the answer of question 7. It is wrong to kill animals for leather because it is a cruel act. Because it is a cruel act and the animals will disappear from the world. Repeating, it is wrong to kill animals for leather because it is a cruel act and the animals will disappear from the world. So these are the question answers from this chapter, Useful Animals. You will write the question answer in your classwork copy and then memorize this. Okay, so the class ends here. Goodbye.